Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to use only one earbud from the Xiaomi My True Basic Edition. So basically, if you only want to use one, you just have to pull out one. The moment you pull it out, it will turn on. As you can see, the blinking light, connect to your previous device, and that should work. If you want to start playing the previous soundtrack or something, you just press one time and it'll start playing. Or you can pause it by pressing again. If you want to pair them both at the same time, what I highly recommend is you pull them both out pretty fast because they connect directly. So pull them out of the case, and then you should hear a little beep beep, like that means that they're both connected. If they don't connect simultaneously, you can put them back in the case and repeat till you feel like they're connected properly, as you can see. Or you can turn them both off by pressing for a long press for 5 seconds, and then turn them on by pressing for 1 second, and once they're on, then they'll connect simultaneously to each other and to your device. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.